have a confidence. Yeah. Even
if only I could tell.
If I fight with Carlo and Wendy again, I think maybe even if I'll do my best, 100%, maybe I can win. Because Carlo and Wendy the looks is very good than us.
Because
and the atmosphere, you see, Carlo is 26 years old and Wendy is 22. And how about you? 23? And I'm 22. Yeah, I'm still young. You're still young,
Get over it, coach.
No. That is the point. You know what?
Can't get over it.
The looks is also very important. Yeah. You see, the team high voltage, their looks is nice down here.
Okay.
Yeah, very tall. The girls is very sexy. Yeah, here it's like what called this?
Are you just transferred to high voltage na?
Bakit?
Maybe you want high voltage more than
No. I want to stay here. That's why I come back here. Because you are here.
True?
Yeah, not true. Yeah, of course. So anyway, talking about the business, okay? Meeting.
Buti mo si Chang, babay si Chang.
Asaga, day. Sikat ah. Sikat break.
Sige.
Okay.
Unsa man si Chang?
I was intense. I didn't have a concept. Because I know we are not enough practice, right? The first day, we are
Chika, but not.
Okay.
But not that.
About the... What do you want?
New Year's resolution.
What?
New Year's resolution.
Jagger. Jagger.
No, hindi to Jag.
Wala.
Kanya to.
His own life.
Ayam, please may damit.
Ganda rin yung wala. Well, you like it? You like that puro?
Puro? Ano puro?
Sorry.
Puro?
How about mine? You want this?
Puro. You want puro?
Straight. Don't like?
Puro puro pure. You want pure, puro?
Pure Japanese. Yeah.
It's pure Japanese.
Made in Japan, yeah, made in Japan. Made in Japan. But half Filipino. Yeah.
You're made in Japan?
Made in Japan. How about you? Made in what?
Made in the Philippines.
Made in what called this English? Nakalimutan na ko like that.
Ano?
My raw materials is also from Batangas.
Batangas.
And I made that in Batangas also.
Gibuang!
Sometimes.
It's normal in Toro.
Yeah, it's normal.
What? Different.
We miss the outside world. Not only me, all of us, right? It's the sky.
I will be the one to leave the house. Kuya now. Then
But I want to see the outside world. What? People. Ay, labas na dito. Bayos. Hindi ka? Oh, Bayos.
I getting my clothes and then I love.
Patay.
bayot daw system.
It's okay, yeah. I love bayot.
Rain outside my
Don't hate them.
If I labas na dito house, yeah, and the people's waiting for me,
Okay
I will
lang.
take off my cross and I will hug them. It's
Hug
girls. Or girls I hug. I don't care, even gay or tomboy. Yeah, I hug.
Basat girls.
Yeah, basat. Patay. Yeah.
Girls only.
I will go to monkey house after that. After that, I will go to monkey house. Yeah.
I'm the girls in the party, shaking the thing like I didn't see.
Lion, I love you. Cabin. Cabin, yeah.
You love
So here, housemate, many housemate from states. Paul, Kevin, Lion. Yeah.
you.
I'm not states. I'm
From
Japan.
not in the Philippines.
Also si Jericho
What if?
Jericho.
from states.
Naisip ko,
He's pure Filipino, but from States.
paano kung ang isang,
Jenny ko.
may bahay na puro galing ibang bansa, at yung isa naman, bahay,
Puro Pilipinas.
Pinoy.
Pinoy.
Na,
Two people, yeah.
halimbawa, mga isda, mga ngawit ng niyog,
Yan yung ano, yan yung...
magsasaka,
Ay, parang hindi
Parang-
na, kasi yan yung sa Team Clash before.
yan ang nangyari.
Na one house is only for foreigners and then the other is all
Filipino?
Filipino.
What?
Nangyari na yun.
Teen Crush?
nangyari na
Last
yun.
year? Last year? Teen Crush?
Teen Clash.
Teen Crush. 2010. Last year,
Oh,
right?
2000.
So, all foreign like Ivan, Bell, James Wade is one house from,
Ano, you look like James.
you know? It's really nice. Before I entered this house, and the makeup artist is makeup me. Yeah. Guwapo daw ako. Yeah. Guwapo daw ako. Makeup artist. Before. You remember? When we are dancing tango. Makeup whisper me. You're guwapo daw.
Really?
Yeah. But I think this boy, yeah. Siguro, yeah.
Bakit ako yung sinusundan? Ako na yung...
I asked, why many gay? Like, it's okay. Me also,
Tingnan
I
ko siya,
like
Paco.
gay. Yeah. But I'm not gay. Yeah.
You have gay.
Not gay.
All days na
You have gay.
You have a gay?
You have a gay.
No, I don't have.
You have gay boyfriend.
Wala. I have a friends of gay, but I don't have. I'm not gay. I don't have a.
It's okay to be gay because when you're gay, you're sikat.
I'm just acting, you know. I'm just acting.
No, yeah, I know. You're acting because you're...
I know you also
like-
acting like tomboy, right?
No, I'm not tomboy. But I telling you, I'm not tomboy.
Kiss me nga kung babahala.
Before makeup.
Pwede ba?
This here, yeah. Diba? When we are dancing tango cha-cha, that time the guy makeup me and he whispered me, "You are handsome." Yeah.
Handsome.
Yeah.
And then?
And then I said, maraming salamat.
Hindi ka, I hear that,
Yeah.
Maybe it's unad.
he said that, please tell to Unad, he's handsome.
Oo. Baka mali ka lang nagdinig.
Oo, si Chang.
Whatever. Yeah.
Whatever.
Kung masyado seryoso ngayon. Ano? Baliktad ata yung sabi niya, magiging more serious na siguro siya ngayon yung sabi niya nung binihak niya yung bato. You're more serious now.
Oo.
Baliktad!
We don't want jokes. Diba?
Okay. So let's talk chika time, chika break time. Yeah. Meeting about business. Yeah, our business. Yeah.
Oh, what's our business now?
If ilatos na bahay dito,
Girls.
no money. Yeah. So we go to the mall and ask money.
No, not mall. There. Outside. Then, kanta-kanta.
Kanta, make the
Then,
show
dance.
time.
Ako si Sechang. Ganyan na. Para pa 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 para pa para pa para pa siba.
Para
Ganyan.
Like that.
Ganyan. Oo, para magkaroon. Ibabang na gan.
Siguro,
Para pa pa pa
pwede.
pa.
Siguro 2,000 to 3,000, yeah.
Oh, hindi.
Oh.
Maybe you will have enough for going to your total. How many total? You need money.
5,000?
5,000 to go back in Davao?
No.
I need more.
You need more? Why you need more? Then, I
I
think
need 1
5
million.
days you need to perform outside. Para pa 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 pa.
Take off the clothes.
Oo, take off the clothes. Maybe the maybe
After,
sigaw.
I go to movie house. After that.
After,
Policeman, pick up me.
Ano? Clubhouse. Kalalabasan.
Kilabang.
Clubhouse. Oo.
Go to the plaza.
Marami kang makukuha niya. Sabi mo. O yan. Sa club ka lang.
Your favorite movie? Your favorite movie?
Favorite movie?
Yes.
First time, si Gerald at Richard Gutierrez and si
Sino? Si
maybe
Pat Curtis.
first time. For the first time.
I'm looking in your eyes for the first time. Yun yung gusto ko yun.
Richard Gutierrez and si...
Di si ano?
Si Angel Oxin.
No.
Casey Concepcion.
Casey Concepcion.
Casey Concepcion.
Ang pinakagusto ko,
I like it.
basta pelikula na ni Sarah.
Sarah.
Yung pinakagusto ko.
Yung Sundance.
Alin?
I like
May ganyan.
si Richard
Gusto mo lang,
Gutierrez.
pero hindi ako nakakapanood.
I like Richard
I'm
Gutierrez.
busy.
Kasi my mother's like mother of Richard Gutierrez. Yeah.
Kasi like that. Bigyan mo demos, mga demos.
Yeah. Always watching, di ba? Like my mother, yeah.
Like your mother.
Mother of Richard Gutierrez, like my mother. Attitude. Yeah.
The attitude.
Tricks. Always.
Maybe your mother is, Day, bayaran mo na mga utang mo, Day.
Like that, Lisa?
Like that. Oh my God. Your mother is so strict.
Very strict.
My God.
Joke only.
Mother's
Don't worry, my mother will accept you, yeah.
pretty babe. Accept. Yeah, your mother will accept me as your friend.
Yeah,
Diba?
friends, yeah.
Diba?
You don't choose another.
What?
Choose another.
Another what?
Transfer to another.
Transfer what?
Another.
I don't want.
Okay.
Your love, how deep is
Transfer,
your love?
Hey, I know she's have a
Really
boyfriend.
need
Yeah,
to
I know she's have a boyfriend.
learn. Cause we're living.
But my mind is never changing.
Mayaman to, anak mayaman.
Try to a girl with boyfriend that can love you.
Kuya Ulad, anak mayaman ka, no?
Paano naging mayaman? Hindi ka
Ganda
mapakita.
ng balat.
Hindi ka mapakita ang bahay namin dun sa picture dun eh.
Kami din mo lang nakakainis.
Pakitainin mo na.
Okay lang, pag malaki mo, at least may bahay kayo.
Eh.
Kung kami may bahay.
Nasala ang usapan eh. Sabi balad mayaman eh. So nasala eh. Nasala ko sa usapan.
Sabi mo kaya, hindi nga mapakita ang bahay namin.
Katama na. Nasala na. Nalayo.
Dapat be proud because you have house. Mama Luz, nakita ko yung bahay niya may swimming pool. Ang ganda. Doon sa likod ng asawa mo. Oh, mayaman.
Naginit ka. Gusto lang, may pag-aari kami ng pool.
Mayaman kayo, Mama Luz.
Nangangarap pa lang.
Kaya po ng asawa mo, Mama Luz, di ka nagkamali sa pagpili dyan sa asawa mo.
True.
Grabe.
Di ba?
Kaya pala ganyan, ha?
Yan talaga.
Sobra-sobra mong mahal yung asawa mo.
Panalo.
Parang naka-jackpot ka ng 1 milyon.
Oo naman.
Kasi naman yung asawa niya kay